So for this, what we're looking at right now, this is just a standard panel that comes right off the line. For people who don't know, there's two options that we provide. One is what's called the CNC. We'll pre-cut these holes for you, making life easy for your electricals, doors, windows, etc. Right? An average, let's say, 1,800 square foot 3-2 home. Skilled and unskilled labor. How long do you think it takes to put the exoskeleton up once they get it?
If you're taking longer than a day, you're taking too long.
Taking longer than a day. So you're telling me an 8 to 10 hour, maybe 10, but 8 hours.
Yeah, 3-4 guys should be able to knock out an 1,800 square foot home in 4 or 5 hours.
We see these as standard panels. Now, when people show up, these are numbered in the map, correct? So we have our ICC cert, which you guys all see right there, you've seen the video. So how can you screw this up?
Yeah, it's paint by numbers.
So that's what makes it so fun, and I think that's what we really want to express to people is, guys, not only is it better, faster, greener, and stronger, but it's easier. We're gonna validate what Chris Wallace just said. We're gonna take a long operating over 20-year GC who's never touched a SIP before. We're gonna have him do it right here in front of you to show you can do this. It doesn't take anything except for the ideology and concept of better, faster, greener, stronger. And you can have your exostructure up in days as opposed to months.
Chris, does it matter on the finished edge if you want this in around? Does not matter. Are these okay to sit on ground level here? Typically you'd have your seal
Typically
plate.
you got your bottom. Yep.
Okay.
So now you'll just go back. Once you get everything level, you'll nail it just every 3 inches on both sides and from the inside and outside.
That's about as easy as it comes, isn't it?
That's cake. Snap, snap, and you're done.
I don't want you to ever do build sticks and bricks again. I want you to go to SIPs. What do you think? Would your team go for that? Is there any resistance in there?
I think it's one successful build with it and it changes everything. This is way easier, saves time, saves people, and we've got a much happier customer because they're not in a construction zone as longer and they're there faster, which means repeat business and referral. And so you just need one success and it just goes.
Talked about the size of panels that I can order this and the size of thicknesses.
Our standard thicknesses are dimensional lumber sizes. You got your 2x4, your 2x6, 2x8, 2x10, 2x12. We also do 10.5, which would be your 9.5 inch eye joist.
Sure.
And your 12 3/4, which would be 11 7/8 side joist.
So I can do a 4x8, I can do a 4x12, I can do a 4x24.
Absolutely.
So anything in those variances we can do.
Yep.
Guys, look, if you're not building out of SIPs, like I said, you literally are in the Flintstone age. It's better, faster, greener, stronger. And here's the thing. If you haven't done it, come over here and train with us because you just saw how fast we can take a highly accomplished operator, put him in the space, he figures it out within 3 minutes. It's not rocket science. It literally is ice cream sandwiches and paint by numbers. And I'm not seeking to dumb it down nor seek to offend you. Quite the opposite. I'm seeking to make you rich. If you don't like money, don't call us. If you like money and you want to start building better, faster, greener, stronger, and building fortresses for your friends, for the people who are in commercial space or single family residents, go to buildyourfortress.com, get yourself a now, start in the SIPs, we'll get you in the training program, and if you're a GC, we can help you get SIP certified right here at the Realm and show you how to do this and make more money for yourself, your family, and your customers.